Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to install net speed monitor in Ubuntu. As you can see that whenever we want to check our internet speed, we have lots of website like fast.com and speedtest.com, which is also very good website to check your speed test and find out the Wi-Fi or your mobile network speed. But for the PC you need some kind of extension so that it tells you real time what is the speed in and out. So that is extension will install, and in right out the up you will find those speed, what is the speed of your in and out. So for that we can use Ubuntu Software Center, and you need to search for net speed. So this extension will help you to find out the in and out speed of your internet, and just hit installation button and it will ask for install. And this is a very lightweighted, so it will not take so much time. And once you install that, there is a lots of options like you can sum up your in and out, so that you can see that this is the in and out, sum of in and out. And if you uncheck, it will show in and out separately. So as you can see that my upload speed is 1.49 right now. Something is uploading, I don't know, but I will figure out. And your download is 23 KB and something like that. So you can see that, and you can also manage this setting, but I don't actually want right now. So let's see whether this application is working right or wrong. So let's see, we do fast.com and this. So what is the speed of my internet? Showing 24, 23, around maybe 50. It cross 50. Let's see, but as you can see that my download speed is 2.29 something, and which is accurate, I think. So this help you whenever you work on real-time application where you need internet speed to know what is my upload and download speed. So this application really help you actually, and you can also manage all the settings here, your device and all that. So explore it, and this is all about this video. I hope you like this video. Please like and comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that whenever we upload some videos or anything, you can get to know. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much.